Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add animated gradient background without using plugin in Elementor free version in WordPress. Before starting what gets my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add animated gradient background using CSS. So you can add animated gradient background color to section or container in Elementor. Now go to website gradient-animator.com. So by using this website, we are going to create animated gradient background and then we are going to use CSS in our Elementor WordPress. We are not using Elementor Pro plugin. Now you see gradient angle. Also you see scroll angle. So you can adjust according to your requirement. And then you see speed. So you can increase or decrease speed according to your requirement. Now we are going to add color. Now you see add color, so click on it. So you can select color according to your requirement and then click on select. So we are going to add more color. Again click on add color. Now select this color and then click on select. If you want, you can add more than one color. You can add 2, 3, 4 according to your requirement. Then enable option opera and now you see preview, so click on it. So this is animated gradient background and then you see gradient angle. So you can adjust according to your requirement. Also scroll angle and then you can set speed. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then you see CSS. Now copy all CSS and then go to customize section. So we are in additional CSS. Now paste. Now scroll up, you see CSS class dot CSS hyphen selector. So you can add class name according to your requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done and then copy CSS class. Now go to Elementor page. Now you see this is our section. So click on edit container. Now on left side you see advanced. So click on it and then scroll down, you see CSS classes. Now paste CSS hyphen selector and then click on update. So we added CSS class in custom CSS. Now you see same class added. So you can add name according to your requirement. Now page publish done. Now go to website and refresh the page. Now you see animated gradient background color is added by using CSS without using any external plugin in Elementor WordPress. So we are not using Elementor Pro plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.